Now, an air taxi ride in Singapore could cost the same as taxis plying the road by the end of the decade. A German manufacturer is displaying its commercial model here for the first time. It is in a bid to make people more aware of these urban air mobility services ahead of its launch in 2024. Lisa Rodney with more.
A peek into the future. You can hop on this air taxi, beat the traffic jams, especially at the checkpoints, and land in Johor Bahru in half an hour.
A ride on this Velocity could cost less than a helicopter ride when it's first launched. But in 5 to 6 years, the company is hoping that passengers on this air taxi could be forking out the same amount they'll be paying for a premium taxi ride in Singapore.
This manufacturer's service is set to be launched in 2 years' time in Singapore, the first in Asia to do so.
We thought starting with a touristic case is quite good to have an experience for inhabitants but also external tourists to have that flight. Then as a second step go to the cross-border routes which are more congestion relevant for us and offer a service for that. Thirdly, we want also to use Singapore, as I said, as a kind of first place to start and then go to Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand and also offer the services to those nations.
It has linked up with the Institute of Technical Education to train lecturers and students on, for example, assembly and maintenance. The aircraft is now on display at the ITE College Central till August 2023. The aim is to increase public awareness on this new form of transport and how it will benefit the country.
I'm not sure how many science fiction, futuristic movies audiences have seen. I'm one of them. But we probably think this is a Star Wars kind of thing. I think they would like the larger population to understand more about this, whether it's safe, how would you actually use it.
The company estimates that by 2030, its urban air mobility services in Singapore could generate 4.18 billion Singapore dollars and create up to 1,300 jobs.